We are exporting ourselves for the weekend. And I'm of the progress. I did not forget about your matter. Because just right now I'm focusing with something. I will come. I don't know you are complaining and sending your tribute for RIP. You are saying no, I don't know what. So you want us to give you trophy. You did not carry our product. We do what? We kill ourselves. Team Natural. You did what you did. You know yourself. Seriously, I don't have your time for now. But I will still look for time. I know you are looking for attention, but sidai. Ukisikia when Swahili people they say sidai, I will give you a trophy soon because of the way you are behaving. I don't want to disclose the breaking news. Let that go rich. Yes. Saizi sasa. So nachukua saizi kwa nini? Si ungoje breaking news zifike. My fellow people, when I was in church, you just adjust first this one. See this one? You adjust them the way you want. After you finish adjusting, you just when you press, you remove. You focus with your left hand. But I'm sorry, my people, I don't have those things that we're putting here. So I'm just using my hand. Albert, you see?
Yes.
This is how you should be training yourself. It's very easy, by the way.
Alright.